What I have is a part that we have in production. When you get into the manufacturing of this part, you get the side effects, which is going to be the weld burns or the discoloration of the surface. Using a wet blasting process in order to clean this part up is going to double the value of what this part is going to be worth. It's going to give more value to what your customer sees and how they view this part. So stay tuned. We're going to show you how we clean this part up in a wet blasting system. We used a VH800 FL with glass bead in it in order to remove that residual stain, the weld burns. As you can see, it's made this part look brand new. This is going to increase your value. It's going to increase the price you can ask for parts or service. So give us a call. Let us know how we can assist you, what your application is, and what questions you have. Give us a call at 828-202-5563. Thank you so much.